thanks for stopping by. If you like what you see, don't forget to consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button down below, show a like, thumbs up, and we'll see you on many other videos. I'm Fish, I said that. And we're continuing on our vlog for the day, and we're heading down to, the amusement park, see what it looks like and what it's all about. And it's a nice warm day still, and I hope you enjoy what you see. So yeah, I'm enjoying the camera I bought on my own, no sponsorships, and I can say whatever I want to say, and I hope you understand my videos and where I'm coming from and the messages I offer you. I'm on the handlebar, I'm on the boards going this way, and it's shaking. Now I lifted my handlebar off the camera. Yeah, my camera's up in the air now, and I'm lifting it up. I'm on auto low light enable. What I'm going to do is go on to the smoother boardwalks that are straight lateral, and that should be a lot smoother shot. Rock steady is on in order to get auto low light enabled, and like I said, sharpness and video denoise cannot be put on if you're on auto low light. I'm 24 frames per second, 4K. I don't do any coloring, I don't have any ND filters, only my start video, the very one I did at the beginning. I put it on and I took it off. And I showed you that you could put an ND filter on and what it may look like with the camera. I cannot compare this to the latest, a GoPro Hero 12, but I can compare it to a GoPro. And I have a GoPro Hero 10, 9, 8, and 7, and GoPro Hero Sessions and GoPro Hero 4 Black, all with me still. I don't want to compare them to the DJI Action 4, which is the latest camera, August 2024, when the other cameras are over a year, 2 years old. I could compare this to the Osmo Action 3, to the earlier model, so you could get an idea of what these two are. But there are already other videos out there on the market. You'll see video and you'll see comparisons. Well, a lot of people talk and they don't show video, and they tell you what it's like. And some people out there don't even own the latest, but still have to talk about their camera here. As we get closer to the amusement park, yes, you'll see a light and the flag is waving a light, and it may cause a little bit of a interference to you. Cameras get improved real slow. They get a feature or two. Can I come over here and show you some lights? Sure. Let me turn the camera around for you. You have some lights on. They're going up and down solid. And we have a couple lights in the distance. And let's head on down and see what it looks like close up. Oh, my horn always works when I hit the brake. The lights are on. Do you see any anti-flickering happening on NTSC? 60 hertz? Well, they claim it's 30 and 40 hertz. DJI. The swing getting worked on. So the lights go on and off, checking it out. They inspect the rides every single day. And this way we are safe to go on them. This is an old little ride over here. Little caboose roller coaster for the kids. I think that's my first lit billboards I've seen here. I figure I'd come down this way. See the Dino Wonder World. You got it. The carts go on a track, and the ones on the end just swing, nothing else. So it is pretty quiet. Should be a beautiful shot for you all. Expensive to go on rides, about $10 a ride, and the sun is coming up. So let's head on down. Wouldn't you want just a camera to capture those moments and not have any camera and not have those moments. It could be a DJI, it could be a GoPro, it could be whatever you want. And I'm thinking maybe I should go get myself an Insta360 X3, but it's a 1/2 inch sensor. But I like now the 1.17, is it? Third sensor, almost an inch. Does a great job, if you ask me. But I don't know about the 1.19 by GoPro. I don't want a tall sensor. They could have made the full sensor just like DJI, and they could have still done the 8x7. Now, how is that shot to you looking? Oh man, that shot is unbelievable, man. Woo! I should go pull over here to the side, sit on up, and do a talk, and get my shot. What may be good about this shot is I got a light on me. It's low. Let me raise it up so the background can be seen and I can be seen. How is that now? Nicely lit, right? Can't go through unless you see an opening. But, you know, we don't think, we just do. This is what happened. Just hold on to this. All you need is a second, and you're gonna have everybody just come around you, man. I got this light here. I think I'm gonna put one here. Well, I'll tell you, beautiful shot. Beautiful shot indeed. Let's get on out of here. I like to be moving. All I can do is laugh. It's like watching a TV station. You're stuck on that channel. Oh, the ride's lit up. And I'm sticking this through a fence. No matter how much I stick it through, I can't get the shot I want. I got flicker, and flicker should not happen. I talked a lot about what I wanted to say, hoping that you got some information out of the video. And we're on a beautiful sunrise, which we're trying to get. I'm a distance from it. No matter how far I go to go get the sunrise, I won't be there for it. So off we go. Continuing on. I think the sun's going to come up right behind that building towards the bridge area. Running backwards. I had a good bike ride. One of the things I didn't talk about, and I have to do it on the closing of this video, is long pressing the shutter button that pauses the video of start. Until you let go, it will start recording. So we don't have a two-stage shutter button. Does it affect auto low light, the prompt from coming on? Yeah, it doesn't come on if you hold it. So if you want to get a shot, you didn't want to get the shot, but you hold the button down, you get the shot without wasting video. But you got pre-record in case you want to keep camera on and take the shot and waste video and have that shot at that moment while it's recording on standby. I'm gonna let you think about that. Think about what I said, and maybe you get an idea. But why does auto light enable come on once in a while, even on speed recording now and then? It's just a reminder, that you got a DJI Osmo Action 4.